Naalala ko pa nung unang beses tayo mag-meet in person way back 2017. 28 ka noon at ako naman ay 26. And wala ka pang nagiging girlfriend. Sabi ko sa sarili ko, bakit kaya wala pa tong girlfriend? Mabait naman siya, responsable, matalino, simple at cute. Then doon ko na-realize na unti-unti na pala akong nahuhulog sa'yo.
Like a lifeboat.
Ngayon nandito si Arvin at saka si Ann. Malakas ang loob. No? Pumasok kayo single. Paglabas nyo mamaya, kayo couple. Mag-asawa na kayo. Marami pang dadaan ng mga pagsubok sa inyo. Pero huwag kayong mag-aalala kasi pinagtapat kayo ng Diyos. At ang Diyos hindi nagkakamali.
My love, don't let go. Hold on to me. Hold on. Hold on.
Ang pinakamadalas mong tanong sa akin ay bakit kita love? And ang lagi kong sagot is wala lang. Wala lang dahil there are too many reasons to list. And I know those reasons changes in time.
Do you give yourself to Him as His wife?
Yes, Father.
Do you accept Him as your lawful husband?
Yes, Father.
I will hold you when the stars fade out. I will catch you when the tears fall.
I love you because you are beautiful, kind, understanding, generous, and supportive.
Ngayong araw na to, masayang masaya ako dahil ikaw ang binigay sa akin ni Lord. Isang taong handang makinig sa lahat ng naisin ko. Maasahan mo din na ganun din ako sa'yo.
Hold on. Hold on. May your heart be strong. May your fears be weak. Hold on. Hold on. When you feel like letting go, hold on to me. I'll catch you. Hold on, I'll catch you. I'll catch you. I'll catch you. I'll catch you.
You give yourself to her as His husband?
Yes, Father.
Do you accept her as your lawful wife?
Yes, Father.
In the dawn.
Excited na ako mag-travel around the world at bumuo ng sarili nating pamilya sa amin. Mahal na mahal kita, Arvin. Happy wedding day. Ikaw ang pinakamasayang binigay sa akin ni Lord.
Love you.
Love you.
My love, don't let go. Hold on to me.